I want to tell you that you changed me and I'm much grateful for the time you spent every time to help me. What will we talk about today?
Don't mention it, my dear student. Today I will talk to you about importance of self-confidence and about the positive habits a person must have to live more confidently and relaxed in life. Self-confidence is how we feel about ourselves. It is best to feel good and proud of ourselves. Confidence is the good nutrition _ the more we have it, the healthier and stronger we become. Having or creating a safe and loving environment can help one's self-confidence grow each day.
Is having a safe and loving environment a condition to help our self-confidence grow?
In fact, having a nourishing environment is a supportive factor. Ill-chosen words and discouragements that a person receives in a negative environment affect his self-esteem if he is not strong enough.
What must a teenager do if he lives in a negative environment?
A teenager must take control of how he feels about himself. He needs to be always strong and confident. He must know how to handle certain unpleasant situations, thus others will not affect him. In other words, he needs to know that he is not what others call him or evaluate him. He must know that he is a worthy person whose value is not determined by others' compliments or insults.
Thanks for God to have a nourishing family environment.
Really, it is a bless. Satisfaction, happiness and love are the feelings that everyone can live when he feels his internal peace and thinks positively. Self-confidence can transform the one to a more creative, confident, compassionate, cheerful, calm, and consistent person. Love and peace create best environment any person in world may need.
Now can you tell me about the positive habits that can boost our self-confidence?
Yes, sure. Good habits can help you control your life. Good habits are planning, time organizing, prioritizing and flexibility.
So good habits are planning, time organizing, prioritizing, and flexibility.
Exactly. Firstly, planning. Planning is a key of success and achievement. Plan for your day, week, month, year and for the future to make your dreams real. Secondly, time organizing. Time organizing is giving each task its fair time. Organize your time and don't forget to give yourself golden moments to meditate or to practice your hobbies.
What about prioritizing?
Third habit is prioritizing. Prioritizing is putting first things first. It's the ability to take decisions about importance of things in our life. Some things are crucial while others are to be delayed or even to be cancelled.
Flexibility must be related to flexible relationships with others and ourselves. Isn't it?
Yes, true. Last positive habit to talk about is flexibility. Flexibility is related to positive thinking. It's not to be stuck to fixed patterns of thoughts because this leads to fixed patterns of behaviors like judging others or intolerate different people. Such rigid fixed thoughts can also lead to prioritizing others' needs above ours every time, demanding to be always perfect, or failing to look after ourselves. Flexibility is a very important habit because it makes us more tolerant. Flexible people accept losses and failures with sportsmanship. They seek perfection, but they accept not to be always perfect. In fact, we are susceptible to fail times before we succeed in achieving the best.
I think that these 4 habits are very important for everyone. Thanks for all your care and advice, Teacher Swear. Really, you returned me to the right track. I was to be destroyed if I haven't been self-confident again.
You are always welcome. I'm happy to help.